Hello learners and welcome with the topic percentage. As you know, recall something here. In this session, we will discuss about the basic things which learners must possess. First of all, ratio means ratio. The topic that is a ratio, you know very well about that. And you also know about ratio. Ratio is also a comparing two quantities. Comparing two quantities. Right? And this comparison can be done using the fraction. That means ratio can be expressed in the form of fraction. For instance, suppose we have 5:4. We can express it as like 5/4, right? And also this method of comparing and percentage is also used for comparing quantities. Then, if you are going to do percentage as per fraction, percentage as fraction, that means you have 35/100. In the above, I have written 1/100. That means 35 can be expressed as like, and you can express in the percentage, right? Okay. Percentage as ratio. Percentage as ratio, right? That means what? You have a 8%. Suppose you can express in the fraction form and it is divisible by 4. That means it is 2/25 and it can be written as 2:25. Right? Now, some question we will take as given in your exercise, that is convert the following. Question is here. Convert the following ratios to percentage. Now, just one line I would like to tell you about percentage. This percentage word taken from Latin phrase, that is percentum, means per 100. Percentage means per 100, which I have above mentioned this one, right? So we will take the question from exercise, that is first question. First question is here written 11:80, right? Then we can write here solution. It can be expressed in the 11/80, right, sir? Then what should we do? In order to convert a given ratio into percent, we first convert the given ratio into fraction. Then multiply the fraction obtained by 100. We can multiply it 11 by 80 into 100 by 100. 100 cancel. Why we multiply numerator and denominator by 100? To make it as a percent form, right? It is your form. Then you can cancel it. You are able to cancel it, right? 0, 0 and 2, 4 ja 8 and 2, 5 ja 10, right? Also, we can retain this one as like 11 into 5 by 4%. You can write this one 55 by 4. That means it's can be written as and divided 5 1 ja 5. Sorry, 4 1 ja 4. One balance it's form a 15. A 4 3 ja 12. Right? And remainder is what? 3. Then 3. That is your percentage. How to convert the percent ratios to percentage? It is a process. You can also take other example which given in your book. That second ratio not, it is 4 ratio as per my book. Here is written 111 is to 125 according to the percentage. No, sir. According to the ratio definition, we can express in the fraction, right? And we are going to convert into percentage. Then 111 divided 125 and you multiply 100 and 1 by 100 you can take directly as a percent. Now you are able to cancel it 25 5 ja 125 and 25 4 ja sorry. Yes, 25 4 ja 100. 4 times, right? Then you have 111 into 4 by 5%, right? And you are able to multiply this 1 by 5 and you can write here 5 8 ja 40 and 5 8 ja 40 and you have a remainder 4 and you can write it would be this one. I hope that all of you understand, right? In the second question, express each of the following fractions or mixed number as a percent, right? In the second number question, here written in your book, that is question number 2. Express as a percent. We have question first one 3 by 5. If you recall your previous, then what is our motto? That our motto is to make denominator 100. So what should we multiply? Let's see here. 3 by 5, 5, 20. If you multiplying denominator 20 by 20, you must be multiplying numerator by 20, right? Okay, sir. 320, it becomes 60, sir. And 520, it's become 100. So it can be written in the form of percentage. Just above I have given in instance. That is, you have 60%. %. I hope that all of you understand. Am I right? Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Uh,